All right, what's up, people? We're going to learn how to measure the mechanical advantage of this wrench. Now, a wrench you grab out near the end of the handle and you turn like this, and it gives you the ability to apply more force to the bolt than if you just grabbed a bolt by yourself. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wrench, I'm going to just outline it, okay? Try not to move the wrench as I do that. All right, so now I've outlined it, okay? Now, the bolt that we would be trying to turn would be here. Everybody agree with that? So basically, we have a little circle here where this object's applying its force. Now we'll take the diameter of that circle, okay? Or the radius, excuse me. I'll take the radius of this circle. And then the other thing I would do is lay this tool here and be like, hey, if I'm grabbing this wrench, I'm grabbing it out near the end to get my maximum force. So we're not going to measure at the very end, but we'll go maybe to about right here. And I'm like, hey, if I was using this tool, that's how it would be moving. So now technically we've got a bigger circle here and a smaller circle there. So the radius of this circle is about 1 centimeter, and then the radius of this is much more. Let's try to measure it real quick. Down here, I'm going to say this guy is exactly 1 centimeter. That'll just make our lives a little bit easier. So the radius of this circle from the inside to the outside is from 90 to 91. So 1 centimeter radius. All right, 1 centimeter. And then out here, let's measure this new line here. From there to there, I'll make the number a little easier for you. From 0 to 18, okay? 18. So your hand's about 18 centimeters away. Well, the mechanical advantage of this, the handle length is 18 centimeters. The working radius is 3 centimeters. No, excuse me. I don't know what's wrong with my brain. 1 centimeters. So you have 18 times the force that can be applied here. So this tool gives you a mechanical advantage, makes you 18 times more forceful. Now, while you do get more force, you also have to move the handle 18 times as far. So really, you're doing the same amount of work because now you have a greater distance. The distance your hand is moving is much less than the distance the bolt is moving. So work is equal to force times distance. If the force goes up, then the distance also is going to have to be greater. But the distance over here is actually much smaller. The force is being applied here. Well, that is a much smaller ratio. So however much easier it gets to push, then you also have to push that much further because you never get work for free.